guys, it's Lucas here, and today I just wanted to tell you that most of the kids in the United States don't get the most veggies that they need. Now that's a big problem because the veggies give you nutrients and stuff that you need. So I made a little something to teach you kids out there how to eat veggies happily without arguing with your parents. Look at my plate that I made. It's a bunch of sunflowers with grass and sun. So if you wanna, you can eat your veggies, but if you think it makes it fun, you can play with them as well. Now if you'll excuse me, I gotta go eat lunch. Goodbye.